Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we're installing our shifter linkage guard on a 2018 GMC heavy duty 3500. This product is a great way to protect and improve the lifespan of your vehicle. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the factory push pin as shown. Then set the shifter's line aside. Next, remove the 13mm bolt from the rear of the shifter. Once the bolt is removed, put your shifter linkage guard into place as shown and secure it by loosely reinstalling the rear factory bolt. Using the supplied lock washer and bolt, loosely install the front of the guard. Finally, secure all fasteners and ensure the shifter's line rests behind the guard as shown. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your shifter linkage guard. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.